Welcome to our channel. If you're traveling from Haneda Airport to central Tokyo, you have several transportation options. The Tokyo Monorail is one of the most affordable ways to get there. In this video, we'll show you how to use the monorail to reach central Tokyo from Haneda Airport. Let's get started. Most international flights arriving at Haneda Airport land at Terminal 3. So, if you're flying into Haneda from abroad, you'll most likely arrive at Terminal 3. As you enter the arrival lobby, you'll see a directional sign right in front of you. Follow the sign Monorail. It will guide you towards the monorail station. You've now arrived at the monorail ticketing area. Here, the first step is to check the fare. For example, a trip to Tokyo Station costs 690 yen, and to Shinjuku, it's 730 yen. It's important to note that the monorail terminates at Haneda Airport Station, so to reach central Tokyo, you'll need to transfer to the JR line from there. If you're looking for a convenient way to travel around Tokyo, you can purchase a Welcome Suica card right here in Terminal 3. The Welcome Suica is a prepaid IC card for short-term visitors, usable for trains, buses, subways, and even for purchases at convenience stores and vending machines. You can buy the Welcome Suica card from the ticket vending machines or at the JR East Travel Service Center in Terminal 3. The card requires no deposit and is valid for 28 days from the date of purchase. Using the Welcome Suica makes traveling around Tokyo seamless and hassle-free, allowing you to enjoy your visit without worrying about buying tickets for every trip. Now, let's purchase a Welcome Suica card from the ticket vending machine. First, approach the machine and select your preferred language. Next, you will be asked to select the type of card. Choose either adult or child, depending on who will be using the card. Then, choose the amount you want to load onto the card. The initial amount can be used for travel and shopping. Once you have entered the amount, insert cash or use your credit card to pay. The machine will then dispense your Welcome Suica card. Now you have a Welcome Suica card. Let's enter the station. To enter, simply touch your Welcome Suica card to the reader at the gate. After passing through the gates, look at the electronic display board to check the train schedule. For trains heading towards Haneda, go to Platform 2. Turn right and take the escalator up to the platform level. You are arriving at the platform, ready to catch the next monorail to Haneda. Now, you're on the monorail heading towards Haneda Station. As you travel, enjoy the view. The journey from Haneda Airport to Haneda takes approximately 15 minutes. During the ride, you can relax and prepare for your arrival in the heart of Tokyo. At Haneda Station, you'll transfer to another train line to reach your final destination. You're now approaching Haneda Station. As you arrive, get ready to get off the train. Once off the train, look for the signs indicating the transfer to the JR line. Follow the signs and take the escalator down to the next level. On the ground, you'll see a green sign labeled Transfer to JR line. Follow this sign, and you'll find the JR gates nearby. To enter the JR station, simply touch your Welcome Suica card to the reader at the gate. For trains to Shibuya and Shinjuku, head to Platform 3. For trains to Tokyo and Ueno, head to Platform 1 or 2. It takes about 5 minutes from Haneda Station to Tokyo Station. You've now arrived at Tokyo Station. We hope this video has been helpful to you, and we wish you an amazing stay in Tokyo. If you found it useful, please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.